Microdermabrasion for dull, tired skin. Bring back that youthful glow. Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt that your skin just seemed, well, tired? Maybe it is the cumulative effects of stress, air pollution, work, or just everyday wear and tear. Whatever the reason, it is a big disappointment when you first notice that your complexion has lost that youthful glow. Wait a minute, what's with my face today? But here is some good news. You do not have to settle for that dull skin. REFRESHEN Super Premium Microdermabrasion Cream, especially when performed by hand, will bring back that fresh, vibrant look you have just noticed went missing. Let us tackle why your skin might look lackluster and how to get it back on track. Why does skin lose that youthful glow? It is not your imagination. Skin does naturally get dull. A few reasons why. Dead skin cell buildup. As your skin cells renew, the old ones stick around longer than they should, more so as we age. This buildup makes your skin look dull and feel rough. Pollution and environmental stress. Urban life take a toll on complexion. Dust, pollution, and poor air quality leave your skin looking a little worse for wear. Cleanse your face twice daily, the second time in the afternoon as soon as you are in for the night. Do not wait until bedtime. Stress and fatigue. Your skin mirrors your lifestyle. If you are working too hard and running yourself down, your skin shows it. Lack of proper exfoliation. Even if you wash your face twice a day diligently, that is not enough to keep that fresh look as we age. Without exfoliation, those dead cells just continue to pile on. How microdermabrasion helps. Microdermabrasion is a wake-up call to your skin. The fine texture of a super premium microdermabrasion cream works to gently buff away that layer of sticky dead skin cells, revealing fresh, healthy cells underneath. And here is the key: consistency. A one-time scrub will not cut it. Your skin is constantly renewing itself, so keeping up through daily exfoliation makes a clearly noticeable difference. It is not subtle. You will see the difference in the mirror as soon as you step out of the shower. One of the best parts is you do not need a machine. In fact, we are huge advocates for doing it by hand. Hand-applied microdermabrasion allows you to control the pressure and really work those tricky areas around the eyes, the corners of the mouth, and the neck. That is where machines are never as attentive as you are. Hand-applied microdermabrasion is a lot kinder to your skin. Apply a quarter-sized dab to a damp washcloth or to your fingertips and massage gently in small circles. Rinse with lukewarm, not hot water, and pat dry. Your skin will feel smoother right away, and over time, that healthy glow will return to you. Keeping up the glow. Once you have exfoliated, follow up with a super premium moisturizer to lock in hydration. Since you have just cleared away part of the barrier of dead skin cells, this is when your skin is most receptive to the nourishment of super premium moisturizer and eye serum. There is a magic time of about 5 to 15 minutes after exfoliation when your skin will absorb these topicals much more efficiently. You can see the moisturizer sink into your face in the mirror in real time. Always apply your topicals as soon as you step out of the shower. Make it a ritual, just a few minutes to keep your skin looking vibrant. With daily use, microdermabrasion will reduce fine lines, improve skin texture, and bring back your youthful glow. Final thoughts. Life's too short to settle for tired-looking skin. Microdermabrasion is a simple, no-fuss way to refresh your complexion every single day. Just remember, it is not about scrubbing hard. It is about being consistent. Your skin deserves a little love and attention, and with the right routine, you will see a more youthful glow that reflects how good you feel about yourself.